Self-reflection. Start by examining your comfort zone. What are the habits and routines that keep you there? Understanding your own boundaries is the first step towards pushing them. Set clear goals. Define specific goals that involve stepping out of your comfort zone. These objectives could be related to your career, relationships, personal development, or even trying new activities. Start small. You don't need to embark on a monumental challenge immediately. Begin with smaller steps that feel manageable. These small victories will build your confidence and prepare you for more significant challenges. Embrace change. Change is a natural part of life, and embracing it is essential for growth. Be open to new experiences even if they make you feel uneasy. Take risks. Risk-taking is a fundamental component of stepping out of your comfort zone. These risks can be calculated and thoughtful, but they should involve the possibility of failure or discomfort. Learn from experiences. Whether you succeed or encounter setbacks, reflect on your experiences. What did you learn? How did it make you feel? What can you do differently next time? Fear of failure. Challenge. The fear of failing can prevent you from stepping out of your comfort zone. Strategy. Embrace the idea that failure is a valuable part of the learning process. It's an opportunity for growth and should not be feared. Social pressure. Challenge. Social pressure can make it difficult to try new things. Strategy. Remember that your choices should be based on your own desires and goals, not the expectations of others. Overcoming procrastination. Challenge. Procrastination can keep you stuck in your comfort zone. Strategy. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps and set specific deadlines to make progress. Marcus Aurelius, a wise person from a long time ago, talked about being a good person. He said something like this: if you want to be a good person, don't just talk about it, actually be a good person. He believed that being a good person is all about having some important qualities like being smart, wisdom, being brave, courage, treating others fairly, justice, and being able to control yourself, self-discipline. These are like superpowers for being a great person. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this.